Today, we will talk about 3 worst beans seniors should never touch, and 3 you must eat. Get ready, because today, what you hear may change your breakfast forever. Doctors always recommend legumes, but not all are safe for seniors. Some have strong compounds that upset digestion and reduce mineral absorption. Many eat them daily, thinking they help, without any conditions. A recent study in the Journal of Nutrition and Healthy Aging says the problem is not the legumes themselves. It's how you choose them, how much you eat, and how you cook. This makes the difference between renewed energy and unexplained fatigue. Imagine your usual morning. Quick cereal, a pinch of salt, maybe a spoon of sauce. You think it's smart, but it can cause bloating, fatigue, and blood pressure issues. Everything is natural, 100%. But small details matter. Quantity, additions, cooking. We will go step by step, calmly and confidently. 3 natural legumes to watch, and 3 more that strengthen heart, memory, and muscles. Don't worry, we won't name them yet, because the secret is smart daily habits. Start with lukewarm water before meals. Soak legumes well and change the soaking water. Cook them fully until soft between fingers. Avoid heavy additions, too much salt, sugary sauces, solid fats. Add cumin or ginger to reduce gas. Include vitamin C to improve iron absorption. Keep your portion half to 1 cup. Notice your body after 2 hours, light or heavy, active or sleepy. Your body whispers the truth if you listen. Stay with me until the end. We will reveal the worst 3 legumes that upset health if mishandled. Then, the top 3, giving pure fuel to every cell. Don't change the channel. The difference between weakness and strength may be this simple choice. Today, let's start the journey together.
Not all legumes are healthy. Some hide natural toxins. Your body, after 60, digestion slows, immunity weakens. The wrong choice tires your heart, silently harms blood pressure, and blocks absorption of minerals. A recent British study confirms over 1,200 participants, 50% had chronic bloating, and 30% developed anemia. The cause? Undercooked legumes. Start with red beans. Looks innocent, but dangerous. Contains phytohemagglutinin toxin. It causes nausea within hours. 5 beans are enough. Vomiting and diarrhea exhaust the body. Seniors are most vulnerable. The stomach cannot handle toxins. Weak kidneys increase the risk. But the solution is very simple. Soak in water 8 hours. Change the water twice daily. Boil 15 minutes. Enough. Temperature 100 degrees necessary. Slow cooking alone is not enough. Supplements or additives are harmful. Excess salt strains arteries. Fats increase internal inflammation. Studies show clearly, proper cooking removes toxins, boosts absorption, and protects the heart. Harvard University reported numbers. 70% of seniors felt digestive relief after cooking changes. Blood pressure stabilized naturally. Iron levels increased naturally. Here lies the food secret. Never deny yourself. Just learn the correct method. Divide your portion half a cup. Add vegetables rich in vitamin C. Lemon boosts iron absorption. Cumin reduces annoying bloating. This way, you can enjoy food safely. Beans turn into real medicine, support energy, and protect immunity. Now, get ready for more. We reveal the second bad legume.
Pay close attention now. The second surprise is more dangerous. Not all light beans are safe.
Some may hide serious harm. Many seniors eat them, thinking they are full of benefits, but the truth is shocking. Here, we talk about fava beans. Fava can strain health, especially for G6PD deficiency patients. An Italian study with 900 participants found 12% complications. Hemoglobin dropped suddenly, causing severe fatigue and shortness of breath. Some cases required hospitalization. Natural compounds are dangerous, called alkaloids and oxidants, which break down red blood cells. The risk is higher after 60. Immunity is weaker, and the body is sensitive. But there's no need to panic. The solution is moderation and portion control. Half a cup is enough daily. Proper cooking reduces risk. Long boiling dissolves toxins. Add lemon juice. Useful. Lemon improves iron absorption. Add olive oil. Excellent. Boosts digestion and protects arteries. Studies confirmed the facts clearly. Cairo University reported results. 70% felt better by reducing fava portions. 50% experienced less fatigue. It depends on balance. Never fully deny yourself. Just learn the correct methods. Observe your body after meals. Bloating or sluggishness? The body sends silent signals. Listening is the health secret. This way, fava becomes medicine, not a hidden deadly enemy. Now, get ready for more. The next holds a bigger surprise. The third bad legume awaits.
Pay even closer attention now. The third warning is coming strong. Many think it is golden food, rich in protein and minerals. But the truth shows another side. It's the famous soy, especially when overconsumed. Studies warn about risks. Harvard tracked 1,200 people. 45% had hormone imbalance, and 30% developed thyroid weakness. The problem is not the bean itself, but complex internal compounds. Soy contains phytoestrogen, which mimics the female estrogen hormone. It disturbs natural hormone balance, may affect memory, weakens bones over time, and gradually increases joint fragility. Seniors are more vulnerable. The body is slower to balance, and any disruption appears quickly. Here is reassuring news. The secret is quantity and method. A quarter cup is enough, once or twice a day preferred. Proper cooking reduces the effect. Natural fermentation is the best method. Products like tofu and tempeh are safer than whole beans. Add leafy vegetables. They reduce symptom severity. A recent Japanese study confirmed. Moderate fermented soy lowers blood pressure gradually and protects the heart from blockage. Excess causes problems. Balance is key. No excess, no deprivation. Watch your body very closely. If bloating or fatigue appear, reduce the portion immediately. Keep food varied. Do not rely on one type. This way, soy becomes a friend, not an enemy exhausting your body. Now, the best surprise is coming. Time for beneficial legumes to build health strong and naturally.
Pay even closer attention now. The third warning is coming strong. Many think it is golden food, rich in protein and minerals, but the truth shows another side. It's the famous soy, especially when overconsumed. Studies warn about risks. Harvard tracked 1,200 people. 45% had hormone imbalance, and 30% developed thyroid weakness. The problem is not the bean itself, but complex internal compounds. Soy contains phytoestrogen, which mimics the female estrogen hormone. It disturbs natural hormone balance, may affect memory, weakens bones over time, and gradually increases joint fragility. Seniors are more vulnerable. The body is slower to balance, and any disruption appears quickly. Here is reassuring news. The secret is quantity and method. A quarter cup is enough, once or twice a day preferred. Proper cooking reduces the effect. Natural fermentation is the best method. Products like tofu and tempeh are safer than whole beans. Add leafy vegetables. They reduce symptom severity. A recent Japanese study confirmed. Moderate fermented soy lowers blood pressure gradually and protects the heart from blockage. Excess causes problems. Balance is key. No excess, no deprivation. Watch your body very closely. If bloating or fatigue appear, reduce the portion immediately. Keep food varied. Do not rely on one type. This way, soy becomes a friend, not an enemy exhausting your body. Now, the best surprise is coming. Time for beneficial legumes to build health strong and naturally.
Now we move to the second. Strong, rich, and very beneficial. It's the amazing red lentils. Small in size, big in benefits, an excellent source of plant protein. Boost heart and stomach health. A Toronto University study confirmed half a cup daily only lowers LDL cholesterol noticeably. Blood pressure stabilizes gradually. Blood sugar balanced. Fiber aids daily digestion. Keeps the stomach less bloated. Improves iron and zinc absorption. Muscle strengthening after 60 is easy. Bones become stronger. Memory shows noticeable activity. Joints move more smoothly. Energy lasts many hours. The key is proper preparation. Soak lentils half an hour only. Boil 10 minutes. Enough. Add a little turmeric, beneficial. Reduces inflammation, boosts digestion. Lemon with salad improves iron absorption. Olive oil eases heart stress. Ideal portion, half a cup only. Combine with fresh vegetables, broccoli, carrot, green cabbage. Get a complete nutritious meal. Tasty and easy to digest. Perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Even seniors enjoy it easily. Studies show digestion improvement, less bloating, stomach comfort. Energy and vitality increase. Muscles get stronger gradually. Cells absorb minerals and vitamins efficiently. Red lentils, friend of seniors. No fear of stomach problems. Just follow proper cooking. Enjoy benefits daily. Turns your meal into energy. Protects heart, brain, and bones. Feel light and active. Now, get ready. The third beneficial type is coming. Completes the perfect health trio. Get ready now for the surprise. The strongest beneficial legume for you. It's the amazing chickpeas. Small but full of power, rich in protein and fiber. Protects the heart, strengthens the brain. A University of California study proved half a cup daily only lowers blood pressure noticeably, reduces bad LDL cholesterol, and stabilizes blood sugar naturally. Digestion becomes faster and more comfortable. Fiber prevents chronic constipation and supports gut health. Muscles gain strength and flexibility. Bones become stronger. Joints move more smoothly. Chickpeas maintain daily energy. The key is proper preparation. Soak chickpeas 12 hours minimum, change water twice daily, and boil 20 minutes. Enough. Add a little cumin. Excellent. Reduces gas, boosts digestion. Lemon with salad improves iron absorption. Olive oil protects arteries and stomach. Combine with fresh vegetables, carrot, spinach, colorful peppers. Get a complete healthy meal, tasty and easy to digest. Perfect for breakfast or lunch. Even seniors enjoy it easily. Studies show heart benefits. Energy and vitality increase noticeably. Improves focus and memory in just 2 weeks. Muscles become stronger and more flexible. Cells absorb minerals and vitamins efficiently. Chickpeas are a true friend of seniors. No fear of stomach issues. Just follow proper cooking. Enjoy benefits daily without worry. Turns your meal into medicine. Protects heart, brain, bones. Gives internal youth and continuous vitality. And here's the extra benefit. Chickpeas also boost immunity naturally, help regulate inflammation, support healthy skin, and enhance overall energy levels for daily activities. With consistent use, seniors can feel lighter, stronger, and more confident in their everyday movements. Now, after revealing 3 beneficial legumes, you clearly know the difference between bad and healthy food. Follow these daily tips carefully. Notice your body improving gradually. The choice of food becomes wise. Life after 60 can be more active, energetic, and vibrant. Stay tuned for other types. Continue the journey of perfect health and energy. Stay committed, enjoy, share with loved ones. Every bean, every spoon, lentils, every chickpea can be medicine if used wisely. Health and strength in your hands. Choice is yours to live. Longer, happier, more active life.